I'm sure you saw an ad that you probably skipped to watch this video. Well, the ad was placed by YouTube for advertisers that pay them to place it on this video. And in return, YouTube will pay me for placing ads on this video. That is how YouTubers make money on YouTube, through AdSense. But before you start making money on YouTube, you must have gotten up to 1,000 subscribers and your videos watched for up to 4,000 hours in the past 12 months. One exceptional thing about YouTube is, among the top social media platforms, it is currently the only platform that pays its creators handsomely. You can basically live off the earnings that this platform pays you without depending on brands to engage you as an influencer. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how much YouTube have paid me for a 5-minute videos with over 100,000 views, and also compare it with videos from other YouTubers that have about the same amount of views. If you are new here, you are welcome, and thanks to those of you returning. You guys are the reason why I put out great content on this channel. So let's get started. YouTube doesn't pay a fixed amount for every view. Rather, it pays based on the type of video you upload, which also depends on the niche. For example, if a YouTuber uploads a comedy skit, which is an entertainment content, the video will attract many views because everyone wants to be entertained. But the money YouTube will pay for the views on that video will be very low. But if that same YouTuber uploads videos on topics like tech or finance, the video might attract less views, but YouTube will pay more for the views on that video. If you're surprised, that is how the platform works. Making money on YouTube is influenced by how much advertisers are willing to pay to place their ads on different types of videos, and also the location where these views are coming from. You can watch my videos where I explain all this and more. So with this backdrop, I have selected these African YouTubers from different niches that share their data and how much they have earned from videos with over 100,000 views. I will start with Tayo Aina. He's a Nigerian travel vlogger and currently one of Nigeria's finest with over 260,000 subscribers. He shared in one of his videos how he made only $20 from 400,000 views on a music performance video. This is one of the lowest I've ever seen on YouTube. But in that video, he explained that the low revenue was due to the niche and the copyright claim on the video. Don't make this same mistake as a YouTuber. There is a library in YouTube Studio where you can download copyright-free music. You can use it in your videos. That is, if you can't afford the paid ones. This will save you a lot of money and you will earn more from your videos. Aina was paid $508 for another video from his channel, which is a travel video with 123,000 views. Now you can see the difference. The niche and copyright claims made the difference. Next YouTuber is Nello Okeke, a popular Nigerian lifestyle vlogger with over 70,000 subscribers. She shared that one of her vlog videos made her $101 from 144,000 views. Next is a tech YouTuber from Nigeria by the name Fisayo Fosudo. In one of his videos that he talked about cryptocurrency, his channel earned $1,600 from 156,000 views. According to him, that is one of his highest in terms of CPM. A very important tip here if you're a YouTuber. If you're into vlogging and other entertainment niche with low CPM, try talk about topics from high-paying niches in your videos. This can boost your CPM in the long run. So on my channel, this video has gotten 115,000 views since my channel monetized. Before I let out how much it has generated, let me quickly share with you some basic data about it. Most of its traffic came from YouTube search and suggested video. It has 10.9% click-through rate, which means 10 persons out of 100 persons that saw the thumbnail clicked on it. And it has gained my channel 4,100 watch time hours. And the average view duration is 2 minutes, 7 seconds. Advertisers paid $13.08 for every 1,000 ads on this video, and the video earned $6.69 for every 1,000 views. So far, this video has earned my channel $774.79, which is about 385,000 Nigerian naira for just a 4-minute video. Well, the video is about 11 months old and is still raking up to $100 every month for this channel. So the take here is that creating searchable or evergreen content is like creating a source of passive income. Even long after you have uploaded them, they keep generating money for you while you are doing some other things. So if you are still thinking of starting a YouTube channel, stop thinking and start it now. And if you have a small or growing channel like mine, all I will say is that don't give up. Most of the top YouTubers that you hear about today, most of them made nothing after uploading over 100 videos. And I'm very sure that most of us are better off. So if they can make it, you can. In the future, I will analyze one of the videos that I've mentioned here and share some tips that you can take away. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Remember to give this video a like, and as always, I'm your tech informant. See you soon.